The reason I brought up this topic is since we've started the new year, we have opportunities of starting new things, doing things the right way, but sometimes we work against ourselves. So, what is self sabotage? Welcome, everybody. Welcome. What is self sabotage? Basically, self sabotage is when you work against yourself. Supposing you're building something, or you start a small business, or you start an exercise routine, then you start doing things that work against you. So, one of the things is to watch out what kind of things are you doing that are contributing to that self-sabotage. And some of the things I noticed was belief systems. If you have a certain belief that you can't be successful, you're going to do everything possible not to be successful, even when you get an opportunity that calls for success. You see what I'm saying? Then also, self-esteem. How is your esteem? How is your confidence? These are things you can build. You can get up every day and remind yourself, that you're enough. You have the abilities to do the things you need to do, but it's part of growing your esteem. Welcome, everybody. Welcome, Moses. Welcome, Senaya. Welcome. Leave me a comment and let me know where you're from. Gwanga, welcome. So, continuing on with self sabotage is self esteem. You have to watch for your self esteem. If it's very low, there are ways to improve it, because self esteem is part of knowing, of inner confidence, of knowing, okay, how am I going to be able to stand and do the things I want to do without diminishing myself, which goes into self-worth, because the way other people treat us depends on the way we treat ourselves. If you don't know who you are and how to treat yourself, you will have such a hard time letting other people treat you anyhow. And because of that low self-worth, low self-esteem, you will start to sabotage yourself. Hi, Eugene. Welcome. MJ, welcome. So you'll start to sabotage yourself in ways that are just not necessary, and that's because your belief systems are not right. Maybe you're one of those who fears to be successful, or you wonder everyone who succeeds maybe has to do things the wrong way, in terms of maybe they just steal. Yet it is possible to succeed without having to do all the weird things. Hi Timothy, welcome. Chef Rogers, welcome. So, moving on, one has to be aware of self-sabotage. There are some things you can do to help yourself so that you don't destroy the things you're trying to build. One of them is, first, know yourself, know your weaknesses, know your strengths, amplify your strength, and find help for your weaknesses, or collaborate with someone who is stronger in an area. Otherwise, you will end up destroying the same things you're trying to build. Then, self awareness. If you are aware of an area where you're weak, chances are you'll put safeguards in the way whereby you don't amplify your weakness to destroy what you're trying to build. Then also measuring your progress. As you put things in place, you can start to measure your progress in terms of, am I increasing, am I decreasing, you know. Carol, welcome. Katerega, welcome. Thank you guys for being online. Let me know where you're from. So, another thing, another way to resolve self-sabotage is mentorship. Get help, get mentorship for things you want to do and how you want to progress. Get advice from people who have done it before. That way, they'll give you nuggets and shortcuts so that you can get to where you want. Then you can also get accountability partners. The beauty with accountability partners that if you promise to do something and you don't, they will remind you, and you'll always see whether you're on track or you're trying to destroy yourself. Kellen, welcome. So, bottom line, self-sabotage is a character we have within us, all of us in a certain degree, because of all kinds of belief systems we carry. But if you are aware of it, you'll put things in place to help you not destroy what you're trying to build. I hope this helps. As always, this is Mother Ego. I'll talk to you soon. Thank you guys for joining.